Hi, welcome to Ellie's Travels. We have left Ellie at home, and the reason for that is she is having a little job done to the front of the caravan, and Peter can explain just what's going on there.
Well, I took it in for a service for my friends Ian and Mandy up at Seaton Delaval. Service no problem, but there was a little crack on the front of one of them just to check that it was hidden under some silicone by a previous owner. And when they've taken it off, it's split all the way on the top. Someone's tried to bodge it by putting big screws in. So we're going to have to cut it all out and try and do a repair on it to keep the price down. Otherwise we're looking at a bill of about £5 to put a whole new sun panel on, which is just ridiculous. That's where it is at the moment. Hope we might have her back in a couple of weeks and then continue back on with Ellie.
So we had to, unfortunately, well, or fortunately, we've come to High Farm Caravan Park, and it's set up here in the Durham Dales, just outside of Hamsterley, and we came for our sister's 30th birthday celebrations, and we needed somewhere to stay, and we found this through a recommendation from Leisure Bit, so thank you for that. And as I say, it was literally a 3-mile journey to where the party celebrations were, and we have not been disappointed. And what I can say as well, that the people who run this place are absolutely fantastic, absolutely brilliant service, and the shepherd's huts have just really served us well. But we really look forward to bringing Ellie next time, because it's an absolutely brilliant find. These 1950 vintage railway wagons have been carefully restored into luxurious self-contained accommodation, and they blend a modern with a vintage twist. All wagons are equipped with a double bed, ensuite shower room with toilet and basin, a cleverly built kitchen with fridge, gas oven, cooking essentials and a whistling kettle. Towels and bed linen are included during your stay. You can expect some finishing touches to make your stay more enjoyable. We receive chocolate crisps, fresh milk, cold drinks, bottled water, fresh ground coffee and local honey. And as you can see, there's absolutely loads and loads of space here. All the caravans that were here have actually gone. There wasn't many. It was about 3 or 4 vans, and the shepherd's huts are literally just there, and they've got fabulous views, and we were able to have our breakfast outside this morning, so that was absolutely fab. If you decide to stay here, you do have to park your car in the car park, but as you can see, it's not far away at all from the touring pitches or the shepherd's huts. This is the shower and toilet block. If you are staying in a shepherd's hut, you don't actually need to use these facilities, because there's facilities obviously in the shepherd's hut, so you've got a shower, toilet, that sort of thing. But I just wanted to show you around these beautiful facilities as well. So you've got laundry area, there's irons, iron boards, that sort of thing, washing machines, ladies' toilets as well, absolutely nipping clean. Lovely shower areas as well. There's 3 hot showers, and obviously toilets, wash basin, and they're absolutely spotless. There's a washing up area, and the brilliant thing about this place is the curlew calf. You can see just up ahead there. We had breakfast there yesterday, and honestly it was fabulous. We've just had a nice cup of tea and a coffee, and we've just sat in the sunshine, and it's lovely, and the staff in there are fabulous, and they have got cakes to die for, so I would definitely just come back for the cakes. And there's an added attraction of the paddocks, which children will absolutely love. We loved it. And they've got farm animals, and if you're staying on the site, it's free. If you are not staying on the site, it's £4 per person, and under twos are absolutely free. Yeah, it's absolutely fab. So there you have it, High Farm Holiday Park. We had a fabulous day and we would highly recommend it. It's really peaceful and well equipped, and the staff here are absolutely fantastic, and it's perfectly situated at the foot of Hamsterley Forest. We will be returning here, and the good news is it's open all year round, so we still have plenty of time to visit. But of course, do check the website for the most up-to-date information. If you want to know how Ellie recovers, do hit the subscribe button. We greatly appreciate you helping us grow our channel. And all that remains to say is thanks for watching, and we will see you next time with Ellie and Isabel in tow. See you soon, and bye for now.